Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my channel. I got an interesting question from one of my subscribers. It's about how to use preparation time effectively for TOEFL speaking. I have never thought about making video for this, so feel free to ask me if you have any questions. Okay, what can you do during the preparation in speaking? Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, let's see how long the preparation will be for each question in TOEFL speaking. See, the shortest preparation time is 15 seconds, while the longest is 30 seconds. All of them are super short, but they are patterns. See, the first question is an independent task. You don't need to take any notes. So the preparation time is only 15 seconds. The fourth question is an integrated task with only listening. You need to take notes, but it's easier than the notes that you take for the second and third questions with reading and listening. So the fourth question's preparation time is 20 seconds, while the second and third questions are 30 seconds. As you can see, TOEFL changes the preparation time based on how much note-taking you need to do instead of the difficulty level of the questions. So you should make good use of your preparation time to review and organize your notes. For question 1, I will only write down some keywords for my opinions, reasons, and examples. That's it. You don't have time to say out your whole idea, although you speak fast. For the other integrated tasks, I usually check my notes and use pens with different colors to highlight the key information. Try to take notes in the listening order so you don't need to worry about the order later. Cross out the notes that are not important. You may write down a lot of information, but not everything is important. I know you plan the answer time for the template. See if you need to change it during preparation. Then take a deep breath, get ready to speak out. Honestly, you don't have much to do during preparation since the time is too short. Let me ask you a question. If TOEFL requires you to answer questions in your native language, can you speak fluently after 30 seconds? Yes, you can. Now my English abilities improves a lot after taking TOEFL. I could speak better with the same preparation time. Although you could beat TOEFL with tips and strategies, you still need to improve your overall English abilities. Keep practicing, you can make it. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya.